Welcome to ITAC LLC's mini-series of video clips related to systems and requirements engineering. In this video clip, we discuss the success rate of major engineering development programs and the reasons why some programs are finished successfully and others are failing. As an aerospace professional, you always ask yourself questions. You try to analyze and you try to understand what the situation is. In ITAC LLC's training seminar, Requirements Engineering, we will give you answers to questions such as: what is requirement engineering? Why do we need it? Who needs to know about it? When do we need it? And how is requirements engineering applied? We will also answer the question why it is so important to know about requirements engineering and why it is so important to implement this powerful process into your organization. In a recent study, the success rate of major engineering development programs have been evaluated. The results were astonishing. 53% of all programs were struggling and eventually got cancelled. 31% of all programs failed, and only 16% of all programs were finished successfully. These are very interesting results. Let's have a closer look into the challenged and cancelled projects. The average cost overrun on these projects was 90%. This is almost twice the cost as estimated at the beginning of the project. The average scheduled overrun was 122%. This means every project took more than double the time than estimated. And at the end, the average missing features were 40%. Almost half of all customers' specified features were missing. But one question remains. What are the reasons for this very low success rate and the high failure rate? The study gives an answer to this question too. The first reason is that the requirements have been defined insufficiently. This means the requirements have not been defined correctly. They were not complete, not precise, not unique, and so on. The second reason is a missing or an inefficient requirements engineering process. Or in other words, the concept and principles of systems and requirements engineering have not been applied. Indications of a missing or an insufficient requirements engineering process can easily be recognized. You miss critical milestones. You argue with your customer over requirements. You have a continuous discussion with your customers over testing. Engineering is always behind the curve and is never able to catch up. You experience integration problems or delays at the end of the project. And you experience many in-service problems during and after the entry into service phase, which costs the company quite some money. All these issues could have been avoided by implementing a requirements engineering process. For additional information, please contact us at 727-953-9883.